Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home, and the PGT, TGT, and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like, and comment my videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you one very good news to the research scholars or the PhD aspirants that a e-workshop on the research methodology is going to happen, and it is conducting by the state university. And after successful completion of this workshop, you are going to get the certificate also. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities or the workshops. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation because they can attend and they can gain the certificate by simply sitting in their home itself by attending the online classes. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this workshop on research methodology. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Present content of the video. So here you may check down that Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and Indian Council of Social Science Research and the Gujarat National Law University. So the workshop on the research methodology starting from 19th Feb and ending on 28th Feb. That means it is a total 10 days of workshop and organizing by the Gujarat National Law University and sponsored by ICSSR. Okay. And regarding the workshop is given here. So research is the basis of creativity and the innovation. And the institutions of higher education are focusing on the competence-based teaching, especially for masters as well as the PhD level education. Okay, and the workshop will provide the students with an overview of the different dimensions of the research. And the objectives of the workshop is given here: to provide the solutions to research challenges and to enable the participant to understand the process of appropriate selection of design, sample size, data collection, and the selection of appropriate measures of data collection and data analysis and interpretation of the results, and to encourage the participant to advance their understanding of methods and software of data analysis in both qualitative and the quantitative approach, or else the research. And the key topics to be covered in this workshop is that research integrity, ethics and anti-plagiarism rules, qualitative and quantitative research, e-resource efficacy for the research, sampling and sample size calculation, literature review and importance of citation, tools and techniques of data collection, formulating the research problem, objectives, research question and hypothesis, data analysis, conceptualization, research design, and funding avenues in the social science research. Okay, I mean, if you don't belong to social science also, this workshop will be helpful to you guys. Okay, so the participants and eligibility are given here. Workshop invites applications from eligible candidates all over the India. And applicants enroll for the MPhil or PhD or the postdoctoral fellowship in a UGC recognized university or the deemed university or colleges or institutions of national importance, or else the ICSSR research institutions only can apply for the workshop. So the specialization of the applicant can be social science, or else some interdisciplinary areas also apply for this one. And the application should be duly forwarded by the affiliated institution of the applicant. And the application, so we invite application from the interested candidate. So application along with the forwarding letter, I will show you the application, guys. Okay, in this video itself. So application along with forwarding letter from the affiliated institution to be mailed to this ICSSR 2022@gnlu.ac.in. And the applicant should also submit the synopsis of research area of interest with not more than 1500 to 2000 words. And the selected candidates will be informed through email, guys. And only there is a limited intake of 30 candidates only. Okay, and those who have attended any workshop on research methodology sponsored by the either UGC or ICSSR are not eligible to apply for this program. That means if you already attended for any such type of research programs conducted by UGC or ICSSR, then you are not eligible. The selection committee will select the participant for the workshop after reviewing the application. Okay, and the venue and the certificate of participation will be available. So we are organizing the workshop online, and the platform to be used for the same is the Cisco WebEx, and the attendance for each session is mandatory. Only candidates with 100% will be eligible to receive the certificate of participation. Okay, so it will be very valuable certificate, guys. And the important dates are given here. The last date for the receipt of application form, forwarding letter along with the synopsis is 15th Jan 2022. Selection to be communicated by 10th Feb 2022. Workshop or course starts from 19th Feb to 22nd Feb 2022. Okay, and it is application form, guys. So for this workshop on the research methodology online, so 19th to 28th Feb. So here the application particulars you may check on that. Name, date of birth, and your caste category and address, mobile number, WhatsApp, email, gender, language proficiency, okay, in which institution you are doing, and present position or the designation, qualifications, discipline, and the topic or the title of research. Okay, so all these things you have to put, and the declaration or the undertaking and the recommendation of the supervisor or the forwarding authority. Fine. So these are all the things, and so please check out this one, guys. And I think it will be very much helpful to you as a pre-PhD coursework. The research methodology is a mandatory subject, so for your preparation also this workshop might be helpful to you. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of workshops, guys. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. and whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want